Hey everyone, this is Lori, and in this video I'm going to talk about some things that cause you to get it stuck in maintenance mode and how you can avoid it in most cases, and then just a brief overview of what you need to do if it is stuck in maintenance mode, and it's really easy to fix. Okay, so I have 5 updates for the plugins that I use. And this is pretty unusual for me to have 5. I usually have maybe 2 to 3 at the most. And the easy way would be to select all and update them at one time. But I found out the hard way that that is not what you want to do. Okay? Because sometimes maybe one of the updates messes up. And if you click all of them and then you get stuck in maintenance mode, you don't know which plugin caused the problem. So what you want to do is you just want to select one at a time. And it may take more time, but it's better than getting stuck in maintenance mode. Okay, so if you do get stuck in maintenance mode, you're going to see, website not available, currently in maintenance mode or something like that. Okay, and what you'll have to do is you'll have to go out to your web hosting account, log into your cPanel, go out to your plugins, and delete the plugin that caused the problem. Okay, so like right now, I'm going to go ahead and update the all-in-one SEO pack. And the reason you want to do them one at a time is if you do have a problem and you get stuck in maintenance mode, you'll know which plugin created the problem. Okay, so disabling maintenance mode, all updates have been completed, so you can go back up here, or you can go there and click on updates, take you out. Okay, so that one disappeared. So we're going to do asset cleanup. Update that. You can see it doesn't really take that long. Let's do its thing. Okay, disabling maintenance mode. I'm going to go back out. Okay, so let's say if I did the redirection and I went out to, or it got stuck in maintenance mode. At that point, I would go out to my web hosting, go to the cPanel, go to the file manager, and then look for the redirection plugin and delete it. Okay, and that would fix it. And then you could go back out to your WordPress plugins and reinstall it and go from there. Okay, and that would apply to any of these. If Shield Security messed up, I would go out to my cPanel, file manager, look under my plugins folder, delete that, and then I could go back out and reinstall it if I wanted to continue to use it. If I didn't want to use it, I could go out and install a different security plugin. Same thing with Secure Copy Content. It's the same process. If any of them messes up, you just go out, delete it, and then reinstall it. So I'm going to do redirection. And once you get the maintenance, once you get this message, you should be okay. If you don't get that message, then you're more than likely stuck in maintenance mode. But it's not a hard process. You can always call your hosting company and ask them to help you as well. They could go out and help you with the, getting to your cPanel and helping you delete that content or that plugin. Okay, so I'm down to the last one, and when I finish this, I'm going to go out to my cPanel and walk you through that part of it as well. Okay, the last one is Shield Security. Okay, so everything looks fine there. I'm going to go back to my dashboard. Okay, now I'm on my cPanel. We'll go out to File Manager. You can see I've got a lot of stuff out here. Let's see. Okay, so my plugins are located in the WordPress content. So these are all the plugins I have, and I would just go out, whichever plugin was messing up, I would just delete that plugin and then go back out and reinstall it. Now, if you have trouble finding your plugins or where your plugins are located, you can always call your hosting company and they can help you locate those plugins. Okay, so Okay, so it would look just like this. WordPress includes. There they go. WordPress content. Okay, so you'll see it just like that. Just click on the plus sign, and it'll show you all of your plugins that you have that are active. Alright, so it's really easy. All you have to do is just delete them and then go back out and reinstall it. And it should fix it.